In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve an image in Canva. This simple technique can add a unique flair to your designs, making them stand out with polished professional touches. Let's dive right in and master this in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to open Canva and start by navigating to the toolbar on the left side of your screen. From this toolbar, you'll click on Elements. This section is a treasure trove of design tools and shapes you can use to enhance your project. By selecting elements, you're giving yourself access to an expansive library of creative options. Once you've entered the Elements section, your next move is to find and click on Frame. Frames are useful tools that let you place images, giving them structure and style. Simply click on Frame to access a variety of shapes and sizes. The frame acts as a container influencing how your image will appear. Now you're going to notice a small text link called See All. This option is usually located near the top or to the side of the frame section and allows you to view the full range of available frame options. Clicking on See All is essential because it broadens your selection, letting you find precisely the right frame for your image. As you browse through the available frames, look for a curved frame that suits your artistic vision. You might come across several variations. The key is to choose one that complements the composition of your design. Once you've located your desired curved frame, select it. This action will place the frame onto your workspace canvas. After your frame is on the canvas, engage in a simple drag and drop action. Drag the frame to the appropriate spot on your canvas where you want the image to be positioned. Don't worry, you can always adjust its location later to perfect the alignment within your overall design. Now, let's move on to bringing your image into Canva. Click on the Upload section located on the left toolbar. This is your personal library for images and media that you've uploaded or want to upload into Canva. By accessing your uploads, you can integrate your chosen image seamlessly into your current project. With your image now uploaded, the final step is to drag the image directly into the curved frame. As you do, you'll notice the image naturally conforming to the shape of the frame, creating that striking curved effect. This hands-on action ensures your image fits perfectly and looks as intended. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to curve an image using Canva, adding a dynamic layer to your design repertoire. Experiment with different frames and images to continue leveling up your canvas creativity. Thanks for watching and happy designing.